2, 3. Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model Vf8/40, serial number 1104046. Machine was new in 2013. We're going to run it for you. Machine has the Haas control, which is set up for 4th axis. It has the drive and the wiring. You have a 24 tool side mount ATC, 40 taper. This machine is also set up with the whips, which is wireless intuitive probing system, through spindle coolant, and programmable coolant, chip auger, remote jog handle, we're running right now 1500 RPM. Machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. 3,500 RPM. 55? 5,500 RPM. 8,500 RPM. Again, top speed's 10,000. The table size of this machine is 36 by 64. You have 64 inches of X travel, 40 inches of Y, and 30 inches of Z. That's your X. And your Z. And over there you have your coolant pumps. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.